6 to 8 hours to allow it to cure, and then I can put the epoxy on. Problem is, I'm leaving to go see my folks tomorrow. I think the car's coming to pick me up at like 4 a.m. So, yeah, it's about 10:50 right now, so my window is kind of like... So yeah, this is going to be exciting. Wish me luck. Here we go. Alright, I got it mixed up. I got like 30-ish minutes to get it down, squeegeed, as well as rollered. So I'm going to do that. I'll talk to you in a bit. So I just got done. That was awesome. So let me tell you what happened. I was like maybe 2/3, 75%, somewhere around there. Done. And bucket started smoking. Like, you know, you have to mix the A and the B to make this primer. Bucket started smoking. Like, ah! So I opened the garage door, ran out. I mean, I have face masks on, all that jazz. Gloves. Top of that bucket is already hardening up. It was actually at the pot life, so I had lost track of time trying to get around the pillars. And I just let time slip by, and hey man, I made a mistake. The product did what the product was supposed to do. Exactly at 30 minutes, it started going off. I was able to get the entire portion of the slab. So I had put the ribbons out when I had noticed it. So I was very lucky, and I'll show you. I got up right up to the line. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, you can see it. I got right up to the line, and man, did I just make it. Oh, I just made it. So that was a close call. Need to pay better attention. That's what happens when you're working by yourself, you know. You know, you make stupid mistakes because you're trying to rush or you're not keeping track of time. So don't do what I just did. Tonight I'm going to be doing this with Whitney at about 7 p.m. And we only have a half an hour to do this. So it doesn't take that long for two people to knock this out. And that's what I'm going to do in the future. For safety too, I mean, this is one of those low odor epoxies or primers. So I wasn't too, I was a little bit afraid, but you know, it wasn't too bad. All right, so I'll see y'all back here in a little bit. Thanks for joining me today. You're awesome. So, check it out. Looking
Floor
good.
Is primered.
Floor is primed.
Primed, yes.
Use a primer to prime it.
Right. Nice work. Spending Sunday evening out here with you.
So yeah, this is date night.
No. Oh, heaven forbid.
So Whitney and I are gonna finish this up tonight.
Right.
We've got our buckets marked up to do 1/3 intervals. Should be a lot easier than that last one because of the primer. Shlomo is yelling.
Getting the dogs in the neighborhood riled up.
Good boy! Yeah, so we'll let you know how it goes. We'll keep this going. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yep.
This is the best technician and the prettiest technician.
I love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Here we go. That wasn't too bad,
It
was
really wasn't.
Yeah, Whitney, I've got to head out tomorrow at like 4 a.m. So Whitney was a little concerned that we would be spending the whole night doing
Yes.
this. And I said that we only have a certain pot life, so we can't
Right.
do it. And I guess the hardest part, or the part that took us the longest, was setting up,
Sure.
right? But after that, I mean, once you started getting the ribbons out,
Oh yeah, it was quick.
it was real quick. And man, I really do love the look of it.
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah, it looks sharp.
real short. Yeah, so we're gonna let this cure up. I won't be back until
Wednesday afternoon.
really like Thursday.
Yeah.
But the next thing that we have to do is put up the cedar panels. Well, we have to burn the cedar panels, put them up on the wall. But this is gonna take, it only takes like 1 day to cure totally.
Right.
But I like to give it 3 days to go
Yeah,
from a
I
fresh
figure
to a
we'll
hardened
just,
state.
Keep the
It's-
van parked out here for the next
If you
few
don't
days.
mind, if you don't mind. Yeah, by the time I get back, we can empty all the stuff out. But tonight we're gonna close this up. We'll probably let it hang out for a little bit just to gas out. But this is a low odor version. So yeah. Are we good?
I think so.
Did we do good?
It looks great.
We'll check this out in the
Look right
morning.
along.
You're awesome.